Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2018 to 2022 Audi A7 and S7? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the 2018 to 2022 Audi A7 and S7, the passenger compartment fuse box protects a wide range of cabin electronics and safety systems, including steering column electronics, instrument cluster and MMI infotainment controls, climate control and head-up display modules, airbag modules, driver assist circuits, exterior lighting controls, ensuring all major interior, safety, and convenience functions are properly fused. Luggage compartment fuse box. In the 2018 to 2022 Audi A7 and S7, the luggage compartment fuse box protects a variety of rear-end and comfort systems such as air suspension, parking brake circuits, safety belt pretensioners, rear tail lights, luggage lid control, fuel filler door, sunroof functions, ensuring key rear body, safety and comfort electronics are properly fused. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.